What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect credit card on your PayPal account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you hit that notification bell and click that subscribe button so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorials. We are doing daily uploads, 20 plus tutorials every single day. And guys, make sure to write down in the comments if you need help about anything. We're gonna film it in the really quick time. So how to connect credit card to PayPal account. So basically, when you're on a home page where you're on your browser, as you can see, when you're on a home page, in this let's say rightish corner of the screen, you're having link a card or a bank. So when you press it, basically the screen will load, so you can link a debit or credit card, you can link a bank account, and you can link Amex Send account if you own one. So link a debit card. As you can see, link a card manually, debit or credit, or quickly link the cards issued by one of these banks, which are American Express, Capital One, Chase, Citi, Discover, US Bank, and Wells Fargo. So if you don't own any of these, just click debit or credit card. Then after it, as you can see, link a card, you need to enter card number, card type, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. So basically guys, you can easily just press add a new address. So the expiration date and the security code, all of these are a must. So when you enter these details, just press link card and follow the steps. So overall, quite an easy process. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.